So, I work in a Canadian grocery store chain. I've been working there for quite a while as I got the job young at 14, and I'm currently 18. Because of this, I've started to pick up some extra responsibilities. One of these responsibilities is to receive what we call rush orders, Inc. if they go by a different name, or if every place does them since I don't know grocery stores out of my area. In case this isn't a common thing, a rush order is an extra order that we get from a third-party supplier that will come on the same day rather than coming in advance. We have two companies that we get rush orders from. Company A has some issues sometimes, but nothing unusual about the attitude of their truck drivers, but Company I often comes with truck drivers that are really impatient and have intelligence so questionable, that I don't know how they passed any type of interview. This is just usual grocery store stuff though. Some truck drivers are good, some are bad.